Hello guys, good day, back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I just want to share with you regarding the validation page. So I just update to other view. So this is the updated validation page that we are using right now. So I will share this on my channel. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And the other one is this one. So this is our we're gonna use for now. For the meantime, the updated validation link. So if I click, so this is the how it looks like. So we have IP there and also here, so we can remove soon, but this is update for now. Okay, so so for now we're gonna change the logo, the BusyBox logo with our logo. So you need to go to your uh, WinSCP and locate the directory. So for BusyBox is under the SRB FAT, then www, VOS, then dynamic portal, images, and then I can upload my logo. Okay, and then I can rename it. So I can rename this one. So I can put old and then rename this one BusyBox. Okay, and then set the permission to 755. Okay, and then if you refresh this one, okay, not yet, so gonna use incognito. Okay, as you can see, we gonna update our logo in our validation link. So the changes we made here, so from the original one, okay, this is the original one, okay, to this, so it's look clean and more presentable for our clients. Okay, to submit it. Okay, and then it's look like this when you submit. So after 10 seconds, it's gonna redirect to login page or to the admin page. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. So once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, install and configuration for some open source application. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel so that you always updated on our latest video. Bye bye.